Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I know it's quite a while since I've really sat down and made a YouTube video. So I've definitely been getting back into my crafts of wigs. You know, I used to make these from scratch, but nowadays you can just like buy a wig and then do whatever you want. So when I'm feeling lazy, I love to buy wigs and just customize them. And I love to get them from Love Me Hair. So this is a very special video, and the fact that I'm about to sit here, record, and edit all of this, you should be glad, okay? Now, let me stop being mean. But anyways, I am recording on the new iPhone 14 Pro, and this is cinematic mode. So in the comments, I want you to tell me what you noticed that is new from this camera. From me, you know, the background. I love this camera. Like the background is already like blurred and everything. Like it's giving what it needs to get. Anyway, let's get into this video. This is my trusty dandy wig head right here that's been through everything, and I don't care. Anyways, unboxing of Love Me Hair. This could be a thumbnail right here. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to unbox. I have this lovely message written here. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Cute. But let's get into the real juice. They always give like this baggie full of great stuff that I will get into in a whole nother video because I'm not doing it right now. But this right here is about to get serious. So I did order a curly unit. I do not remember what type of curly this is. I think it's like a water wave or some type of curl. I'm gonna link all that info in the description when I go back through my orders list. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. But let's get into it. I have a curly hair on right now, but it's a different texture. Yes, this has been bleached, but even when it wasn't bleached, it was literally like this texture. But this is a different texture. And it's getting bleached too because we are going to be doing the color purple. Oh my God, we're doing purple, people. Like, we're literally about to do purple. I think this unit may be longer than this unit. If not, they're the same length. I think this is 16 inches. This might be 18. I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the bottom. It doesn't really matter to me. I just know with curly, I like a little length. I'm not a person who likes super, super long hair because I'm short and I don't need that much hair. But this is pretty long. So I am about to do the most purplish wig you could think of. So I have these three colors right now. Let's get these three colors into frame. They were in frame. Here we go. These Adore colors and this One Kiss color. I also have this purple. It's a Fiesta Fusion. Fiesta something. I'm not sure if I want to blend this with the purples. I was thinking of probably mixing it with the Purple Rage to give it like a lighter tone. I don't know. Either way, I got mad purple. Can I curse on YouTube? Anyways, I got mad purple. And we about to. Alright. Of course, we got some bleaching powder. I have some leftovers in here, and I have a brand new whole one of these. That should be enough for this. I'm hoping that I don't even have to use all of that, but I am really about to bleach out of this. I'm trying to decide what the roots are gonna be, and like I was like, oh, should I leave the roots like a natural color, blah blah blah. No, the roots are gonna be purple. They're just gonna be a darker purple. We're about to get creative, but we're gonna take our time though. We're taking our time, but the whole point of this is I'm going to a purple party. So there's gonna be a part 2 video of me going to, well, it's not a purple party, it's a colors party, and I'm gonna be purple. So this is a task for me. I'm not really the girl to wear purple all the time, but I do like purple. I wore purple for my prom dress. To be exact, I wore lilac. But I'm very excited specifically for this kiss color because you can't tell right now, but on the little sample they had, it was like a very dusty pale color, kind of like this new iPhone 14. And I really want that to be in the front of the hair. So y'all, this is the wig, looking amazing. I'm not bleaching the knots. There's no point because it's basically bleached for me. So yeah, so excited. Like, I'm so excited. Now the question is, do you guys want to watch me bleach on camera? Hell yeah, y'all do. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so y'all ready to see the formula? I'm about to give you some formula 101 because maybe this might go in this video, maybe this might be a separate video, but let's get into it because people still don't know the formula of how to do shit. So there's different formulas when using this depending on what you want to do to the hair. No, I did not go to hair school. This is from trial and error and experience, 10 plus years. Okay, so basically, because I'm bleaching the hair and I really want my hair to be blonde, the consistency is going to be like pancake mix almost. I don't want it too thick, but I don't want it soupy. But it needs to be able to paste and stick and bleach the way I need it to bleach. All right, you know what I'm saying? So I got a bowl over here. I got some bleaching powder. You can measure if you want. I'm not about to measure. I'm about to just scoop some powder. Boom, that's one. Scoop some powder. Boom, that's two. You know what? I'm gonna do a third because I'm gonna be using a lot of bleach. So I might as well just do, I usually sometimes break it up into parts because you don't want to overflow your bowl. So I'm gonna do 3 for now. I have some 40 volume developers. This bottle is almost full, and just in case, I got a small bottle, but I'm hoping that this is enough. And it should be. And if not, I'll get more tomorrow and keep going. That's why we bleach in sections. So I went ahead and just poured. And I wasn't scared when I poured because I had put 3. So this might be a good moment to wear a mask, but hey, I've been doing this for years. And it smelled worse. So who gives a Ooh, I'm cursing so much. I really don't know if you can curse on YouTube. Anyways. You see I'm mixing. It's a little soupy. Get that mixing. Get every corner. It's not that soupy, but I'm gonna add some more powder. I added a sprinkle of powder. But the point is, I'm not giving you no direct measurements. I'm just gonna give you what the consistency should look like. And that is what you play around with. So you see as I'm moving it. So this is 3 scoops and a sprinkle half. And I would say about this much of developer has made this paste this consistency, which is good. So I usually start in the back because I want it to take so more, but because I want this to be a very pale purple, I want this to be the lightest patch. So I'm gonna start in this middle section first.
I used to be scared of the dick.
I literally can't breathe right now. The amount of bleach Do y'all see this? And this smoking. Can you see it? Hey y'all, so this is the wig from the first dye. Oh, excuse me, not dye. From the first bleach. So I bleached the wig. This is now its curl pattern. Y'all see this? And this is the color. But we might have to do this again because I'm doing purple. I'm doing multiple kinds of purple. So this color that it lifted to is okay for darker purples. But for that pale, dusty color that I'm trying to get, like in the front, I'm gonna need this to be a little bit more blonder, which means the curl pattern might get looser. But at this point, I don't care. It's cute, but it can always be blown out and curled in a different way. So we is going to try this again. Okay. Hey y'all, so off camera, I decided to go ahead and re-bleach the front to make it more blonde. So this is what the hair is looking like. So I only bleached this section again. So this got bleached twice. The rest is the same from before. This was the first bleach. You see, I missed some spots back here, but that's okay because I want that darker ombre for these spots. I was mostly focused towards the ends, but in the front, because I want to use a brighter color, I decided to go ahead and do it again. So this is the result. I did use purple shampoo. I did not tone this. I was going to, but I do not want to damage the hair anymore, and I ran out of developer. And if you know how to tone, you need a lot of developer for toning. So, I'm about to start sectioning this off on what I want to do for which color. So because I know this front part with these very light strands are definitely going to be a lot of pastel, that pink I told you guys, that purple I told you guys about. That was gonna look like the iPhone 14. So we know that this is iPhone 14. This right here is iPhone 14. This side as well is going to be iPhone 14, where we see all the brightness. More iPhone. It still has thing on it. I'm missing clips, y'all. So I'm gonna start with this back section first because it's the back and you can't really fuck up the back. I have my hair sectioned off. This is the front. This is the rest of like the middle and back, and then this is the very first row of the back. So you guys remember I have this orchard is what I'm aiming for the front, so I'm gonna leave this for a second. I have a rich eggplant, purple rage, and this Fiesta fuchsia. So I'm about to figure out what to put in the back. I'm kind of leaning towards this eggplant first. Maybe with some of this fuchsia at the bottom. Let's see. So now that I have saturated this hair in a lot of purple, I'm going to let this sit for a little bit and soak in and make sure it stays because sometimes it's tricky with this color. So we're going to let it do what it do.
Bitches wanna be me, get up off my IG. Oh, that's your nigga, why he always tryna pipe me? You don't like my shape and you mad cause I like me. Put these teddies in his face, he gon' lick it like a icy. Boss bitch savage, I'm your nigga habit. He's scrolling down my page, he just wanna come and grab it. Scrolling down my page, he just wishing he can have it. He's scrolling down my page, he just wanna come and grab it. Like pop that pussy girl, make that cash. He a fuck nigga, get the bank and dash. Pop that coochie girl, shake that ass. Your mama gave it to you, better break that bag. Boss bitch savage, I'm your nigga habit. He's scrolling down my page, he just wanna come and grab it. Scrolling down my page, he just wishing he can have it. He's scrolling down my page, he just wanna come and grab it. He wish he was fucking with a hoochie mama, but I'm thinking hella funny. Smart and got some money. Niggas say I'm sexy, know they wanna sex me. Don't fuck with no ex, take your dick to the neck and be like, pop that pussy, girl, make that cash.
So, I did the hair, and this is the finished look. I'm at the purple party. I got my purple here. I have my purple stuff. Like, nothing more can extra. Let's give me the hair.
Little heavy, little man, and I'm about to pop his cherry.